Welcome to the ECGrid portal overview. This session will focus on the dashboard capabilities that greet you as soon as you log on to ECGrid. As you log on to ECGrid, you'll be presented with a dashboard, and it provides you real-time updates of the health of your trading activity in the mailbox and the status of the system. But you can also get other salient information from the dashboard. In the upper right-hand portion of the dashboard, you'll see there's company information around this is Greg's Cool Company, our test account. It's on network ID 47 and mailbox number 302079913. This information is going to be helpful should you have to call our support folks to assist in any issues that you're unable to resolve using the self-service tools on the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you have navigation to all the capabilities on the new portal. Mailbox is where you go to create new mailboxes, configure connections like AS2 or FTP. The transaction portion of the navigation allows you to search for all inbound and outbound transactions from your trading partners. We've got reporting capabilities and notifications that you may receive from ECGrid personnel, from trading partners and alike. Access our help desk and FAQs. You can also manage and configure users associated with your company and other capabilities on the portal to customize your experience. Now let's go back to the dashboard elements. The most important ones are the status of the health of your mailbox in the platform. But we do also provide modules that allow you to provide transaction volume or metrics around trading relationships, kilocharacters, and transactions. In fact, metrics to date for the month can help you better understand where you are from an invoicing and volume perspective as it relates to billing. But let's go to the transaction volume widget. As I mouse over the transaction volume, you will see that it gives me a count of all the inbound and outbound documents. I'm going to click on this particular element in the widget, and as I click and drill down into it, it will bring up all the transactions associated with that particular data set in the graph. Now, as the returns come back, you may have too many and need to filter it. This filter capability exists throughout the whole UI and uses all the metadata available in each of these columns to do a search. So I'm going to search only on archive transactions in real time. It allowed me to bring up that subset that hit that filter criteria. And so when you look at the dashboard and engage and click through on those widgets, you get the actual data that drives those widgets. Now, I just gave you a quick view as it relates to mailbox users, but Lauren Data has other customers on ECGrid, such as service providers, large enterprises that sponsor trading communities. And when those admins of networks log on, they see all the traffic and information associated with their whole network of customers and trading partners. And so instead of seeing mailbox health, they see network health. And just like in the mailbox view of the dashboard, you also have drill down capabilities on all of these widgets. You may have noticed that there are different widgets visible on this particular view versus mailbox. And it's not that the widgets are different. You can customize and edit which widgets go where on the dashboard. You click the edit button, you drag and drop widgets to a location, and then you save by clicking done. And so you can customize which widgets you want to appear and where you want those to appear. And then if your view or your monitor or your preference is to see a larger view of the graphics, on the left-hand side, you can toggle the menu to get an extended view of the dashboard. This has been a quick introduction of the dashboard capabilities on the ECGrid portal. Thank you for your time.